Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the 4 profession AI filter on TikTok. Okay, for that go to your effect gallery. In your effect gallery, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, you got the filter. You need to browse a picture from your camera roll or even tap on the screen. Anyway, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on this search button and here search for profession. Okay, the first one with 2 million videos, tap on it. Okay, you got the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search, then what you can do, go to your For You page and here search for 4 professionals AI filter. Okay, the first one, this is the effect, tap on it and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you can't see the effect here, then you can tap on any of this video also. Okay, on the bottom left corner of the video you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, again you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button and you can use the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also, then what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. Okay, so here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, that's it. You got the filter. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So either you can browse a picture from your camera roll or you can take a picture. So let's take a picture. Okay, it will take few seconds. Okay, doctor, police, engineer and minister. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this effect and use this effect. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.